Everything has a beginning and an end. Stars are born, burn brightly, then fade. Galaxies form, swirl with life, and slowly drift apart. Even the universe itself had a fiery birth, the Big Bang. But what happens at the end of time? How does the cosmos die? In this episode of Infinity Beyond, we journey to the deep future of the universe. Trillions upon trillions of years ahead, to explore a chilling possibility: the heat death. It's not a fiery explosion or a dramatic collapse. It's something far more haunting, a slow, silent fade into nothingness. Entropy, the universe's final countdown. To understand the heat death, we must first grasp a fundamental law of physics, the second law of thermodynamics. It states that entropy, a measure of disorder, always increases over time in a closed system. In simple terms, the universe is constantly moving from order to chaos, from structure to randomness, from energy to equilibrium. This trend is irreversible, and when entropy reaches its maximum, everything stops. That's heat death, the moment when no more work can be done because everything is evenly spread out. No stars, no galaxies, no life. Just cold, quiet emptiness. Timeline of cosmic decay. Let's walk through the stages of cosmic demise. 1. Present day to 109 years. Stars continue to shine. Galaxies evolve. Life, at least in some corners, may still exist. 2. 10 on 14 on 10-15 years. Degenerate era. Most stars burn out. What remains are white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. The universe is dark. Stellar remnants drift silently. 3. 10-30-10-40 years. Black hole era. Even black holes start to vanish, slowly radiating away via Hawking radiation. Eventually, only subatomic particles remain. 4. 100 years and beyond. Heat death. Entropy reaches its peak. All usable energy is gone. No more stars, no more movement. The universe becomes a cold, featureless void. This is not a violent death, it's the fading of the cosmic flame. Why heat death? The term might sound contradictory. Shouldn't death mean cold? Yes, but the name comes from thermodynamics, not temperature. Heat death means the complete spread of thermal energy throughout the universe, to the point where there are no energy gradients left. Without differences in energy, no engines run, no reactions spark, and no life can survive. It's like a battery drained to zero, permanently. Will black holes outlast everything? For a long time, it was thought that black holes were eternal, but Stephen Hawking changed that. He proposed that black holes slowly emit radiation, now called Hawking radiation, and eventually evaporate over unimaginable timescales. A supermassive black hole may take up to 100 years to vanish. After that, nothing with mass remains, only ghostly radiation in a cold, expanding void. Quantum possibilities. Could something survive? Some physicists suggest that quantum fluctuations, brief, random appearances of particles, could continue to occur even after heat death. This leads to wild theories. Boltzmann brains, random brains forming in the void with fleeting moments of consciousness. Vacuum decay, a sudden catastrophic shift in the laws of physics that erases the universe entirely. Quantum rebirth, new universes bubbling up from the quantum foam. These are speculative, but they show that even in the stillness of heat death, physics may still whisper. Philosophical reflections. The idea of heat death is unsettling. It paints a future with no escape, no heroes, and no second chances. But it also invites reflection. We are alive during the bright age of the cosmos. Stars still shine. Life thrives. Thought exists. We are part of a fleeting miracle. a moment of structure in a sea of entropy. Heat death reminds us that time is precious, that the universe isn't eternal, that our brief moment in the light should be lived fully. Alternate fates of the universe. While heat death is the most widely accepted theory, it's not the only one. Other models include Big Crunch. The universe collapses back on itself. Big Rip. Dark energy accelerates expansion until everything is torn apart. Big Bounce. A cycle of expansion and collapse, repeating endlessly. But current observations, especially the universe's accelerating expansion, support the heat death scenario most strongly. It's a slow goodbye, not a bang, but a sigh. Final thought. The heat death isn't about destruction. It's about stillness. No explosions, no fires, just silence, cold, and a slow dimming of everything we know. And yet from this knowledge comes clarity. Life is not permanent, but it is precious. Stars don't burn forever, but while they do, they shine for us. Here on Infinity Beyond, we look into the darkness, not with fear, but with wonder. Because even as the universe winds down, the story it tells is one of magnificent beginnings, breathtaking beauty, and the brief miracle of consciousness. In the face of heat death, we are the spark,